Hello everyone. I love Disney princesses so much, and my favorite of all of them is Cinderella, maybe because she has such a beautiful voice and such graceful moves and dreamy looks. So today I'll be showing you the process of my first ever digital concept painting. I was so nervous about every detail of it and I wanted it to be perfect, especially the lady in it. I started with a sketch and you can see how I kept changing it. At first I wanted it to be Cinderella and her prince. But then I changed my mind and decided to make it Cinderella alone, running from the castle, but then again I changed my mind, and decided, for the last time thankfully, to make Cinderella enjoy her last seconds in the ball before it's midnight. Then after I made the line art I started coloring her, adding the base colors, and then started working on the background. I worked so hard on it and I didn't add many details because of course, I don't want the background to steal the viewer's attention more than the main character here. I added these nice clouds and the trees and some yellow and pink light here and there. My greatest inspiration for this piece was Mary Blair's style of coloring. She's the one who colored Cinderella and I absolutely love all of her work. Then after I was satisfied with the background at that time, I started working on her, and her dress. I had fun making it. And I can say I discovered that I should practice more about drawing and coloring fabric digitally. My traditional art skills are much better, so I should study more art here. Anyways, I soon started working on her skin, which was one of the hardest to make, because the light was coming from behind, but I still didn't like how it made her features not clear enough, and also it wasn't grabbing my attention when I look at the piece as a whole, it wasn't a clear focal point. So yes, I kept adding things to it and tried to make the face as clear as possible, and still as contrasting with the piece as possible. The rest of the piece was just adding more details and so. It was really fun in the end when I didn't keep stressing myself over it to be perfect. I came out with the decision that concept art doesn't have to look like any of Raphael's paintings. Because I'm still learning and that's okay. I also kept editing the hair until I was satisfied enough with it. You can see me here just making sure the background is 9 and adding some lighter blues to have some more contrast with everything. Making some nice gloves, and adding details to those eyes. And also her dress, added those sparky little things to add more details. I love super fine details if you didn't know yet, hee. Anyways, I didn't like her eyes so I decided to make them like this. I also kept working on her dress because that's the biggest part of the character here, of course. I cleared her skin more and her jawline. And then I edited it even more off camera because I wasn't sure if it'd work, but it did happily and now I have another wonderful piece, yay. Maybe I'll draw other Disney princesses too, who knows. What about Sleeping Beauty? Then Snow White because I love them too. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video, okay? Take care.